Right, I'm now going to put a new graphics card into my computer. At the moment I've got an onboard graphics card, but I bought one, so I'm going to put the new one in. Which is there, which will go in the long yellow slot there in your computer. First thing you need to do is take off the corresponding panel in the back, which is that one there, which corresponds with the yellow slot. So you're going to take that panel off there. Take that panel off. On the outside by here. Second panel up. There's a screwdriver to undo that screw there, and then slide that second panel off by there. Right, I'm under my screw there now. So I'm lifting that panel out and then taking that slot out by there. Some of these panels are slide out, some need to be pushed out. Mine's connected, I just popped it out like so, push it back and popped out, which left me a gap now to put my graphics card in. Now with the graphics card, as you can see on the end there's a white clip. Again, got the wire in it. See that white clip right there, which holds it in place. Make sure that's out before you try to insert the graphics card. Put the graphics card in from this way. Just slide it in. Push the wires out of the way and get it in line with the slot there. Once we've got it in line with the slot and pushed it in, that white clip on the bottom will push up on its own and lock it into place. And there's your graphics card fitted there, which is that in the back now. When you reconnect your computer up now, instead of connecting my screen down on that port there, I'll be connecting the screen to that port there instead. And that's the new graphics card installed. Once it's all up and running, you have to put the disc in and it'll pick up the drivers in to load the drivers for the new graphics card. And that's an easy way of installing a new graphics card. Hope this helps.